I love VR, and as a child, I loved to play The Floor is Lava. So, why not combine the two? I'm Muddy Wolf, and this is DEVLOG 1 of making my childhood dream game in VR. VR development is a challenge. So, for the sake of the video series, I won't explain every issue that I encountered along the way. Instead, I'll just show off the new features I have added since the previous devlog. So, around a month ago, I got the idea to make a game that is based on the popular children's game, The Floor is Lava. You know, the one where you used to bounce around on the chairs and the cushions to stop to not touch the floor because it would burn your feet? Yeah, that one. But I'm gonna make it in VR. And I want to spice it up a little more by including some puzzle levels inspired from Portal. So the main aspect of the game is going to be to jump around and avoid falling in the lava, and at the same time you may have to solve some puzzles to unlock some cool in-game goodies. So I started out by grey boxing or prototyping a hub, adding a computer that allows you to actually switch levels, and a teleporter pad that you can use to actually enter the level. I then set up the VR rig and all the movement mechanics. The movement is physics based, which means you can now push or throw yourself around using your hands. So if you somehow miss a platform jump, you can actually save yourself by flinging yourself off a platform and back onto the ground. I added in the ability to double jump, as I find this allows for better movement in fast-paced games like I want this one to be. So I built a first level. Now this first level is currently just a test level and won't be in the final game, but I wanted to test out all the desired features of the game before doing any major level design. So the first level has a few placeholder objects to jump on and a really bad lava texture that'll hopefully be upgraded in the future when I learn how to make better shaders. I added in a checkpoint system so you don't have to start from the beginning when you fall in the lava, because I know for those casual gamers, you're just going to want to be able to cruise through the game instead of speed running it and falling in the lava every 5 seconds and going all the way back to the beginning. So adding in that level of safety will allow the casual gamers to actually enjoy themselves. Once you make it to the end of the level, you'll be teleported to a small room that displays the time it took you to complete the level. This is for all those speedrunners out there. So that's pretty much everything I've set up in the game so far. However, for the past month, I've been 3D modeling some low poly assets for the game, and I'm hoping by the next devlog we'll have a more stylized game to show that isn't just a grey boxing of the levels. Now, before I end this devlog, I want to ask you guys for your feedback on what you think I should add, remove, or change in the current game. I'll also be releasing a playtest of the game soon, so people can actually have a go and jump around and see what works and what doesn't work. But I'm not sure how I'll release it. I'm not sure if it'll be an open test that anyone can join or if it'll just be open to a select audience. But if you're interested, please do let me know in the comments down below and I'll consider all the different possibilities. All I know so far is my patrons will definitely be getting access to the playtest and potentially some of my Discord members as well. So don't forget to check out both my Patreon and Discord, links are down below. Now that's going to be it for this devlog. I look forward to hearing all your feedback in the comments. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.